tires, so you got all the time in the world.
Do you have a tube in here?
Nope.
Interesting.
It's they've got the rubber boot in them. That one's you don't got to worry about as much. Like it's got like a rim diaphragm on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that one's sealed up, solid. The spokes are sealed with that. Have you ever used that 3M tape?
Yeah.
So
I just heard like usually when there's a tube in there and the tube crinkles on the inside, you hear a separation between the rubbers. I just heard that noise. Which is
so that's the rubber inside crinkling away from my from the freaking tape that I stuck in there.
Okay, gotcha.
Those Rabacondas are pretty sweet, eh?
They're neat, yeah. Just make everything a little easier, you know?
Yeah. Especially the ADV tires, they're pretty
stout.
Yeah, stiff sidewall. Well, they kind of need it, but
this one goes on that side.
I guess the riding season's kind of, for you guys, is halfway through?
We don't really have an end. I mean, because we're going to have lows. Of, I mean, we get probably a week a year where the lows get down into the 30s.
Yeah.
But that's very rare. I mean, the mountains up there, it'll stay 30 to 50 degrees up there, like high of 50. We get lows of 50.
Yeah.
In the daytime, we'll get 65. It's pretty nice.
So we were talking to a guy a couple stops ago about permitting for bikes in the backcountry.
Yeah.
Is that everywhere in California?
Pretty much. Yeah. Pretty much.
Doesn't really affect adventure or dual sport.
Anything with a license plate is okay.
Ah, okay, that's how it works.
Which is really that's the kicker.
Gotcha. Yeah.
Hey Rob, you got that amount there? 385500.
Okay. Next up.
3855.
Need a mouse wiggle?
What's that?
Need a mouse wiggle?
Oh yeah, that'd be awesome. My online status.
You just gotta keep that online status going.
Yep.
Oh yeah. How many kids you got?
Got 3.
3 kids? Younger?
What's that?
How
So 10, 8, and 6.
Nice.
So the proposed duration is going to be how long?
For
To get down?
This trip?
Yeah.
I think. How many Ks are we doing? 2,000 miles? 1,000 miles?
What are you talking
The trip down Baja.
Like how much more time do you guys have on the road?
Oh, how much time? We're gonna be done on the
29th or December 1st?
December 1st, I think.
Okay.
Yeah.
Another month. That's awesome. There's that guy.
It's been a while since I've had that thing open. Yeah, so I had real issues with the whole wheel diaphragm thing, so I just said screw it and taped it.
Yeah.
Which,
Yeah, they have issues.
you know, just if they get bit the wrong way, or the guy's not, you know, or if you're spooning it and you stab the spoon in the wrong way and grab the lip and it tears the lip of it.
Well, that never happens.
No, or you have a brand new bike with a brand new tire and it leaks from the carcass.
From the carcass?
Yeah, it was a Mitas. Wasn't it a Mitas?
My tire? EO7.
Yeah.
There's air coming out of everywhere.
Really?
But just a little bit.
Like,
The carpet's broke and it kind of crept out.
okay.
20 spots, 30 spots.
What? That's crazy.
And it wasn't like out of air. I just hit something. Well, that pothole.
Oh, you hit a good pothole.
Yeah.
Separated. Yeah, but you think you'd be able to handle a hit like that?
Right.
You would think.
Yeah, maybe just unlucky, bad spot on it, and didn't like it.
Okay, that's our correct direction.
So Graham's last name is not Moore, is it?
Leisure.
Leisure. But he's a Moore.
No, he's a stepson.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that's nice. Gotta love warm tires, eh?
Right.
Yeah. So Jan, his mom Jan Moore remarried Bill Moore. So,
okay.
So, but Graham was from her previous marriage. But, you know, he's him and his sister.
We met his sister when we were riding through there.
Yeah, so basically, yeah, they're kind of step children of Moore.
So Patrick Moore is his stepbrother.
Yep. But he ended up, when Bill got ill, he ended up running the.
Moore's Logging.
Yep.
Okay. And Luby's last name is Pezzo.
Yeah. She never took. They're not married. Never.
I've never met Luby.
She controls the church obviously.
I just sent her $3,800. I just hope that the security question wasn't too cryptic. But she can always text me and ask for clarity. All paid.
That dot, mine are perfect. Sweet.